Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make chana and white pumpkin curry. So I have taken white pumpkin, which is called kaddu, cut up in this size, and chana dal I have taken, soaked up. So I am going to make the recipe now. While I am making the recipe, I will show you all the ingredients, what I am going to use. So if you like my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe now. Put in the oil. This is Pach Foran, which I am going to use now. Oil is turned hot. I am going to put the Pach Foran in. I have cut up the onions in this size. Now I am going to put it in. Put 2 green chilies. Onions are turning golden brown. Now I'll put in some saffron. Sprinkle some water. Put in the white pumpkin. And put in the ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic is turned brown. Put in the chana dal. Put in the salt to taste. Now put in the chili powder, some jeera powder, some black pepper powder, and some curry masala, that is Madrasi curry masala. And mix it well. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the water. Cover it up and give it 4 whistles. Chana dal and kaddu curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.